Most people train hard, but they still don't see results. And it's not because they're lazy, it's because they make three simple mistakes that quietly destroy their progress. Let's fix that. Mistake number 1, no consistency. If you train one day and then skip the next 3, your body never adapts. It doesn't matter how hard you go in one session. What matters is repetition. Your body only changes when you show up consistently enough for it to adapt. Without that, you're basically starting over every time. Mistake number 2, bad nutrition. You can't out-train a bad diet. No matter how intense your workouts are, if your food is not supporting your goal, your progress will always be limited. Food is not just something you eat for energy in the moment, it's what builds your body over time. If you fuel it with junk, you'll feel it in your performance. Mistake number 3, no recovery. This is the most ignored one. Your muscles don't actually grow in the gym. They grow when you rest. Every workout breaks your muscle fibers down, and rest is what rebuilds them stronger. If you don't recover properly, you're not growing, you're just exhausting yourself. Now here's the truth. Fix these 3 things, and your entire body changes. Consistency builds your foundation, nutrition builds your fuel, and recovery builds your growth. When all 3 are aligned, your body has no choice but to improve. So stop chasing random workouts and start building a system that actually works. Train smart, not just hard.